The Daily Code Snippet. Similar to the bold element and the strong element, when you use the italic element, characters that are enclosed between the italic opening tag and the italic closing tag will appear italicized. However, when you are using the M element, what you are saying is that the information enclosed within the M opening tag and the M closing tag is to be emphasized. But the end result in both cases is that the words will appear italicized. The M element is considered a semantic element. Presented by Designers Learn Code.